Welcome, speculators. So, Pura Vida, this little oil company that's exploring for oil offshore Africa, using Freeport McMoran's money to drill their wells, put out a news release yesterday. And in this news release, they're talking about the well that they're drilling offshore Morocco. There's 5 zones that they're targeting that might be oil-bearing zones, and they've drilled through the first 2 of the 5. And they say that there's no oil and there's no reservoir. They've tested it a couple different ways and there's nothing there. So they're casing the hole to keep the hole from falling in on itself while they go to drill deeper. So they're going to drill deeper into the two more targets that they plan on drilling through, and a third that they might drill through depending on information and decisions going forward. So as this kind of news comes out, you can expect the share price would drop off. And so looking at the market, the stock is cut in half. It's down 53% or 54%, last trading at 12 cents Australian. And to me, I'm looking at that price and market cap of that. The price of the whole company outstanding is about $19 million. And they've got about $15 million in cash. So there's a small speculative premium of about $4 million above that $15 million in cash that they have that's theoretically attributed to their projects and the success of this well and their other projects out in the future. There's millions of dollars, maybe $100-something million being paid to drill this well, and 2 of the 4 solid targets aren't working. Maybe another $50 million roughly of money going to drill deeper into these deeper 2 targets, and they keep 23% of that if anything's found. And the market's giving them a price tag of $4 million. Doesn't make sense. I mean, it's costing Freeport a heck of a lot more to do this for the percentages they get compared to what you can buy Pura Vida for in the marketplace for their interest in this program. And Freeport knows their stuff. So I think we can run circles around those price tags and buy more shares in Pura Vida. So I just did. I put out an order, went right through to buy about 5 times as many shares as I bought last time in Pura Vida, just a couple weeks ago. And I'll take it from here. I believe it's a lot lower risk going forward because of that price. And we've got a short time span to get more results out of this well. And if the results are negative out of this well and they don't find anything in the next 2 to 3 zones, then they've got another well that Freeport is vouched to pay for offshore Morocco, drilling targets like this but different reservoirs that may be charged or may not be. And the plan is maybe another 8 to 9 months from now, that program could get started drilling and happening. So less than a year from now, we could have another potential shot on this stock when it's trading at just above cash value. So that's why I'm buying more Pura Vida. And if you're interested in Pura Vida, I'd recommend you go to Pura Vida's website, PuraVidaEnergy.com.au, and read about them. Look more into them and see what they're doing. Also, you can go to ProsperousAdventure.com, where I've been chronicling my adventures in Pura Vida and learn about what I've been saying about them and have involvements with them and buying shares. And also, if you're looking for updates from me, I'd recommend you subscribe to this YouTube channel. And questions, put them in the comments box below. I'll try to reply to them as I see them come in. Thank you for listening, and let's keep our fingers crossed on Pura Vida's next 2 zones.